What is going on, guys? New circuit. I built the Knight Rider. I've built this one in the past, but this one is way better. And the way I built it was just a 555 timer, a binary 4-bit counter, and a 74154 4 to 16 line demultiplexer or decoder. And the way that it works is that it will decode the 4 bits coming in from the counter into 16 bits, and I'm using 8 of the bits for just the regular going up. And the way that I got it that they are off and only one of them is on, as you can see like that, is by using diodes. So I basically reversed biased a diode into the output, and then I plugged the cathode into the anode of the diode, and then the anode into the positive, so that you can get that, because the chip itself will just output a 0 and all of them will be 1, and it'll move along, it'll shift that bit. But the way that I did it is like that, and then for the other 8 outputs I did the same exact thing, and I just put the anode of that diode back into the inputs backwards, so that it could do this going back, going front. So it's just like a Knight Rider. And over here I just have these 4 super bright blue LEDs just showing the output of the counter. And I have this potentiometer to control the speed of the 555. I just stopped it. That's like super slow. Probably like half a hertz or something, 2 hertz maybe. And here you can barely even see the red LED blinking. And yeah, it's a pretty simple circuit, but it's pretty awesome. And yeah, I had that chip lying around. I had used it to basically like do only this part, that it goes up but it wouldn't go back like that and come back. But with diodes I was able to do that. And it's funny because I had the idea to use diodes in order to both invert it and to make it go backwards, but I was not reverse biasing them, because you need to reverse bias them to be able to plug the LEDs in like this, because I needed to have it inverted basically, and to invert it you would have to put them in reverse bias. But yeah, you can't really see anything past all these jumper wires, but there's all the diodes, and there's the 74393 IC. I'm just using, it has 2 binary counters built in, I'm just using one of them. And I have the 555 timer over here. I'm using a 47 microfarad capacitor for the timing, and I'm using this 10K potentiometer for the resistor divider up here. And this chip is just impossible to see through all this, but that's the 74154 is in there, the 4 to 16 line decoder. The 2 strobe pins are obviously grounded, not using it for that. But yeah, it's pretty much how it works, how it looks. And I obviously have it hooked up to 5 volts. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.